Hello everyone, and welcome to Olares channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use Olares and Jellyfin. By the end of this video, you'll have your own personal streaming service that you can access securely from anywhere. Before we begin, this tutorial assumes you have the LayerPass desktop client installed and your Olares ID imported. If you need help with that, just follow the link in the description below. Let's get started. Open Market. Find Jellyfin on the main page or search for it. Click Get and then click Install. Once the installation is finished, click Open to launch it. This quick setup wizard will help us get the basics configured. First, select your preferred display language and click Next. Now create a username and password. This is your main admin account for Jellyfin. Once you're done, click Next. We'll skip the media library setup for now. Click Next to continue. Next, select your metadata language and country. This helps Jellyfin fetch the correct information for your movies and shows. Click Next. For remote access, we can keep the default settings. Click Next. Finally, click Finish. You'll be taken to the login page. Go ahead and sign in with the credentials you just created. And just like that, you're in your main Jellyfin interface. Now let's add media. The best way to do this is with the LayerPass desktop client to track the upload progress. Simply drag and drop your media folders into the Movies folder to start uploading. Here's a pro tip for a perfect library. Organize your files and name them properly. For a movie, include the title and the release year. For a TV show, put episodes in a folder named after the show and name each file with the season and episode number. If your media is on an external hard drive, connect it to your Olares device and you can access everything directly from the external directory. Or if you are using a network device like a NAS, click Connect to Server to mount it as an SMB share. For details, refer to the doc linked in the description. Okay, let's head back to Jellyfin and tell it where to find them. Open Jellyfin in a new browser tab. Login. In the left-hand menu, select Dashboard. Then, expand the Libraries section and select Libraries again. Click Add Media Library. First, choose your content type. Let's go with Movies. Next, click the plus icon next to Folders. Browse to where you uploaded your movies. Click OK. There are other settings you can selectively check based on your needs. Scroll to the bottom and click OK. Repeat this process for TV shows and other media. Jellyfin will now scan everything and build your beautiful poster-filled library. While we're in the settings, you can expand the playback menu and select transcoding. Under hardware acceleration, you can choose your preferred method based on your device to ensure the best possible streaming experience. You can also customize Jellyfin with plugins. From the dashboard, go to Plugins and then the Catalog tab. To get more plugins, click the Settings icon, then the plus sign to add new repositories. For this example, I'll add one called Skin Manager, which lets you install custom themes. Once you've added the repository, return to the Catalog tab. Now find Skin Manager in the catalog and click Install. Click Install again to confirm. After it's installed, you'll be prompted to restart Jellyfin from the dashboard. Click Restart. After that, go back to the My Plugins page and you can see the plugin is active. Click on it. Select a theme you like. Save the settings and your new skin is instantly applied. Now let's connect a Jellyfin client so you can watch on other devices. For example, to start streaming on your mobile, open the LayerPass app, go to Settings, and just switch on the VPN. This creates a secure tunnel right to your device, making it feel like you're on your home Wi-Fi. Now open the Jellyfin app. Simply paste your Olares Jellyfin URL manually. Sign in with your credentials, and you're in. You now have full access to your entire media library, securely streamed wherever you are. And that's how you build a personal streaming service with Olares and Jellyfin. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Thanks for watching.